Let's practice our pronunciation. Repeat after me, speaking slowly and clearly. I have a meeting scheduled at 10 a.m. Could you please send me the report? I will finish this task by today. Let's discuss this in the meeting. I need more time to complete this work. Can you help me with this project? I will get back to you soon. Please check your email for updates. I have shared the document with you. Let me know if you have any questions. We need to meet the deadline. This task is a high priority. I will handle this issue immediately. Can we reschedule the meeting? I am working on the presentation. Let's review the report together. I have updated the file already. Please make the necessary changes. I will send you the details shortly. Can you confirm this information, please? I need approval for this request. Let's finalize this by today. The client is waiting for our response. We should improve our strategy now. I will prepare the presentation slides. Can you join the call now? The meeting has been postponed today. Let's keep this discussion brief. I have completed my part already. Please review it and give feedback. I will attend the meeting online. Can you share the meeting link? I am facing some technical issues. The internet connection is slow today here. Let's start the meeting now. Please mute your microphone, please. Can you hear me clearly now? I think there is a delay here. Let's continue the discussion now. We need to focus on this topic. I have a lot of work today. I will take a short break. Let's have lunch together today. I will be back in 10 minutes. Can you cover for me for a while? I need to step out for a meeting. Please inform me if anything urgent comes up. I will handle this after lunch. Let's continue this later today. I am a bit busy right now. The project is going well now. We are making good progress today. There are some challenges in this task. We need to find a solution. Let's work as a team. Communication is very important here. We should stay organized at work. Time management is very essential here. Let's stay focused on our goals. We need to improve our performance. The client meeting went well today. They were happy with our work. We received positive feedback today. There are a few changes required. We need to update the document. Let's schedule another meeting soon. I will follow up with the client. Please prepare the next report. We should meet again tomorrow morning. Let's plan the next steps. I am learning new skills at work. This job is very interesting for me. I enjoy working with my team. My colleagues are very supportive here. The work environment is friendly and comfortable. I have learned a lot here. This experience is very valuable for me. I want to grow in my career. I am working hard to improve. I am happy with my progress. I will leave the office at 6 p.m. Please turn off your computer before leaving. Make sure to save your work. Let's clean up the workspace now. I will see you tomorrow at work. Have a great evening today. Take care on your way home. Don't forget the meeting tomorrow. Let's start early tomorrow morning. Goodbye. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next episode.